Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the seal on this magnet, which is the cam adjuster magnet seal. This one, very common for Mercedes V6 to leak or just all across the VVT. The only problem is, if you see, there's not much clearance for you per se to take out the bolts right there. There's a bolt right down there. I don't know if you can see, I already removed it, but there's no tool for you to go in here or even there. That one, look at that. This one is evil. But today I'm going to show you a trick. Very simple, easy trick to show you guys how to take it out and save some time and save some money. Let's get to it. The tool you need, everyone has it. It's a 1/4 inch wrench like this. That's all you need. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure you're on the bolt tightly, and then you're gonna crack it loose. Okay, see, I even get to this one right here, easy. Because this one I already took it out, let me show you better angle. I'm taking some of the hardest one out, so you believe me, this is doable. Let me show you guys. Okay, so let me practice here because you can see me doing it. You go here and then you make sure you're on, and then you just loosen it. After that you can loosen this by hand. So let's take everything out. That's it. Take it out by hand. The next, go to this one. This one's a little hard, but then you can get to it. There's a clip in the middle. Let me just get this one out. Or just take the clip out. This connector in the middle, let's disconnect that one. Push a tab and then remove it from top. Here we go, like that, and then we can move this out of the way completely. Okay, right there. So that little bolt, you can get to it with the wrench like this. Just make sure you're kind of on it, like here, and then you give it a little bit, and then it's off. Right here. Okay. As for the bottom one, I do have another trick for you guys. Okay. So what you want to do, you grab some racks and you shove it down there. Well, maybe not too much, just a bit. So what we're trying to do here, we're just trying to prevent the ball from falling downwards. So right here, I don't know if you can see, right there. So even if it falls, you'll fall onto the rack. I still have a chance to recover it. Alright, so then here, look at that, perfect. So I just want to make sure I have enough meat. So I'm on the bolt, so I can loosen it up like this. I don't know if you'll see this, but the bolt is actually moving. Sorry, my camera, too focusing. So the bolt is moving, see? So you can, if you have small finger, you can take it out. But if you're like me, fat finger, you just have to do it. This is the hardest bolt. So I'm just gonna put down the camera and try to use my finger just to go in there and like trying to do one of this to take out the bolt. Okay. Let's see if I'm good enough to take the bolt out. Okay. So as you can see, it's slow, but it's working. Right there. Slow, but it's working, my friends. See? So perfect. There we go. That was the last bolt. So, what you want to do next? Just pry this out just a little bit. All the bolt is loose, but then there's still a little, just a little bit. Don't break it. Right there. There you go. So, can you take the magnet out? I believe you can. And I was wrong, my friends. I was so wrong. But I found something else. You cannot take it off the reservoir from here, but you can take out the sensor, and then you can slide this here and up. Let's try that. So same thing, I'm just gonna, sorry, let me adjust a little higher. Sorry, there we go. Can we take out this sensor and slide this out and up? Let's take a look. So we're gonna slide this here. And, so because this one we do have the clearance, so I'm just gonna grab a Torx 8, number 8 Torx. With the extension right here. There we go, right there. Just gonna take this out. Oh, wrong way. There we go, right here. The bolt, let's put it here so we don't forget, right between the ECM. And then yeah, let's see if this one comes out. There we go. Right here. This one comes out perfectly. And then I believe the magical thing will happen right now. So if you remove the sensor to the left a bit, hey, look at that, it came out. So right now we can do the seal, which is right there, right in here. There you go, right here. That's the seal we're replacing right here. Perfect. So I always line them up one. So this one pretty straightforward. I already took it out. Right there, right here, right there. there. So I think this one we have lots of clearance. It's not that compared to the other guy. We have so much more room right here. Here we go. So this one we might have to take out this this adjuster too. So this one is the lower one, and then we're gonna take this one out too. Might as well. We're here already, so we know how to do it. It's not that hard. There we go. Right here, right here. There we go. This one's on top. Okay, and then we just have to remove this. Here we are, boys, right here. Second one. So on the left side is pretty straightforward. Left side, anyone can do it. Left side is very straightforward. So we're just gonna skip the left side. We're gonna do the right side. Yeah. So let's finish the rest and yeah, let's go get some food. I'm hungry. I mean, the right side is not leaking too bad, but on the left side, see, like the bolt itself, you can tell is oily. That means it leaked past the seal, and then now it's on the bolt. So we do have to address that. Just a tiny bit. It's a matter of time. So yeah, I talked to a customer, and you know, it's common problems. Actually, there we go. Good. So one thing you want to check actually is that if you take the sensor out and you look right into the connector, right there, I don't know if there's any oil in the connector, you replace this 100%, and then you also replace the connector here and the harness that goes back. Any oil, you replace that. Mine don't have any, so I'm good. Okay, so right now we took out all the sensor. I already finished the tube, but I just want to show you guys how exactly what we're doing. So basically these seals over time they get hardened, and then the oil will leak between the sensor and the block. The oil will start leaking from here. So what we're doing, originally when we take it out, it was like this. The seal is on the sensor. If it's not here, it might be on the block. Let me turn on the light, sorry. Okay, there we go. So then what we're doing, we basically remove the seal from here, and then we're gonna put in a new seal like this. All right, but I just want to wipe the meeting area clean, some brake clean like this, right there. Okay, some brake clean. There we go. Nice. Yeah. So that with the new seal, just gonna put it on like this. Make sure it's nice, and then use some silicone on the side. I mean, not really, because there's some oil where we're gonna insert it, but then yeah, like this, and then right there, zoom in a bit. So when you insert it, first you push it in where it's kind of supposed to be, and then you push it in. So you'll feel right there, almost feel like it's stuck on like this. So that's when you know the seal is good. So a little trick, right now the two holes are very easy to do, so we're just gonna move it left and right a bit. Make sure it's in the center. Grab it on the bolt, put it in the easiest spot like this, Okay, then we know, oh, the sensor is centered. Come on, small finger, good job. There we go. So that will allow us to line up the bottom hole way easier, because it's so hard to line it up down there. Just do a couple more threads, make sure it's in nicely. There we go. So now we're gonna put the bolt in the bottom, and then same for the other one. Let me put the sensor in, and then we will talk. What's the next step? Okay guys, so I put everything in, and I just found out if you remove this reservoir cap, you have so much room. Maybe you don't even have to take those out. So maybe you guys let me know in the comment section, see if I need you to remove those. You know, you learn something every day. So then as for the tightening stuff, we're gonna tighten the easier one first with the disc. So not too tight, just very minor. It's a plastic sensor, so don't break it. So just a little bit. There we go. And then we're gonna grab that quarter, the special tool. Gonna just, so basically give it a little bit, tighten it until it doesn't move. That's it. Don't break anything, please. And then, sorry, I'm blocking you guys, but then, yeah, whatever you can make room in here, just tighten it up just a bit. And also here, the 2 is fine, just double checking. And then also the last one right here. And then don't forget, put these position sensor back in. Oh, I believe they are position sensor. So same thing, push it in. There you go. And then put this one in. Move it left and right a little bit. There we go. We have one right here. So these ones, they don't tend to leak that much, I believe, because there's no moving component or oil pressure. It's just a simple sensor. There, that's all you need. And right here, make sure the seal is good before you put it in like this. Twist it a little bit, and then right there, put this in. There you go. Nice. Okay, so I always like to double check everything. There we go. There we go. Okay, and also when you put the sensor back in, make sure you push it in, push the tab. Push it in, push the tab. Push it in, push the tab. And that clip, remember, we're gonna push it in, push the tab. Then that clip goes to where it's supposed to be, which is right there. Right there. Yes, and then we're gonna push the cap back in last. So yeah, so the mess that we made, I would do some brake clean or engine shampoo. But then yeah, we did quite a bit of work today. So if that helped you, if that saved you some time and money, please subscribe and like. I could have done this in like 20 minutes, but decided to make a video to share with you guys. So yeah, Let me know if that was helpful, or let me know if I need to remove the 2 sensor, or I only need to remove the cap. Please let me know. All right, you guys have a great day.